Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by opening the document and placing the cursor on the page where numbering should start. Once there, go to the Insert tab and open page number in the header and footer group. Select top or bottom and choose a simple preset. This immediately inserts a placeholder number. Make sure to use different first page or section breaks if the cover shouldn't show a number. This step gets numbers into the header/footer, so you can refine format and starting values next. Once the number appears, double-click the header or footer to edit. If you need different numbering styles or to restart numbering, insert a section break, next page, from layout breaks where the change occurs. Then click Page Number Format Page Numbers and choose Number Format and start at Value. If continuing from a previous section, select Continue from Previous. Make sure Link to Previous is off when you want different headers. This prevents unwanted propagation of numbering settings. Finish by closing header and footer and scrolling the document to verify numbering across sections. If numbers look wrong, reopen the header/footer to inspect section breaks and ensure Link to Previous is toggled off where numbering changes were intended. If a cover needs no number, enable different first page and header and footer tools. If a sequence must start at a specific value, revisit Format Page Numbers and set Start at. One quick troubleshooting tip. Stray section breaks are the most common cause. Show formatting marks to find and remove them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.